Yes, for all the students, please study well. Don't just read the textbook as is, but try to understand and make sense of what is given in the text. Plus, you should always aim higher than you actually expect. Aim for the moon and you will hit the star. And also, please refer to your teachers. Ask your teachers any doubts if you have, and always ask them for the guidance because the school is the greatest asset you can ever have. I prepared myself with basically the books which we were given in school, and I also checked the previous year's questions, and I took guidance. I was mainly focused on active studying, that is rehearsing after I suppose I studied a chapter, then I would actually give a mock test, and that would actually help me understand how much I've learned the subject, and it is very helpful in scoring good marks.
How many hours a day do you spend for preparation exams?
A minimum of 2 hours. That's it.
What's your plan? What's your future plan?
I'm preparing for CUT currently, and I hope to get admission into Delhi University, and I want to pursue BA in political science.
And what's your aim in life?
I aim to crack UPSC and become a civil servant.
Tell us more about your preparation, your studies from January class 10. Did you ever thought that you get securing the first position?
Well, I knew that I would get a position because I really prepared hard and I studied hard, but I never expected first position. But I feel like it's possible for everyone to actually score good marks by just focusing on what you're studying, not just reading the text without understanding the context of it. You should actually go in depth of the chapters and understand the meaning of it, because just by harding everything will not give you a good rank or good result. You need to understand, and plus you need to also really ask the teachers, because the teachers are great best guiders, and you should actually put a step forward and ask the teachers if you have any doubts or queries, instead of just sitting by yourself and figuring out by yourself. Instead of that, you should actually approach the teachers and ask questions related to your studies. That's how I actually got a good score, because I would always approach the teachers if I had any doubt. Plus, you should also use resources, since our textbooks are most of the textbooks are converted into NCERT. You should actually refer to the previous year CBSE questions, and that is also very helpful.
And how often do you use the internet in regards to the preparation?
Every day, because I need to assess the online resources, the question papers, and other things as well, such as if I had any doubt, if I want to increase my vocabulary and I want to form a better word, then I obviously use ChatGPT. It's all okay to use AI. It's just you need to use it in a mindful manner instead of just using it for stupid reasons.